Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop spam calls on TECLAST T60. Go to Phone app, then click on these three dots, Settings, Blocked numbers, and now you can block unknown numbers, but remember that when you enable this option, then it will block calls from all callers that are not saved in your contacts. So even if that's not a spam call, but it's from a number that's not in your contacts list, it's gonna be blocked as well. So have that in mind. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.